In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your company information on HubSpot for 2020. Whether you're updating your business profile to reflect a rebranding, a change of location, or just ensuring that all your details are up to date, this guide will walk you through everything you need to do. To start, you'll want to navigate to the user guide on HubSpot. You can easily access this from your HubSpot dashboard. The user guide is a centralized hub where you can find all the necessary settings and options related to your HubSpot account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area because it can save you time when you need to make further updates in the future. Once you're in the user guide, you'll need to click on the settings. This is usually found in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Settings is where all the magic happens. It's the place where you'll find the tools to customize your HubSpot experience to better suit your company's needs. Next, you'll want to navigate to Account Defaults. This option will allow you to set the standard information that paints a picture of your company for customers and partners alike. In the Account Defaults area, you have the flexibility to alter various details about your company profile. Now, let's begin updating the different sections of your company info. Start by clicking on Company Name. You want your company name to be accurately represented, as it's often the first piece of information people will associate with your brand. Following that, click on Company Domain. This field is crucial because it links customers back to your website, driving traffic, and ensuring they know where to find you online. Double-check to make sure your website URL is correct, as any errors here could lead to missed opportunities. From there, move on to Company Address. If your company has moved locations or if you have multiple offices, make sure these details are precise. It's important for both legal reasons and for clients who may need to visit you on site. If your address requires more detail or if there's additional information, click on Company Address Line 2. Here you can provide an extra layer of context that can aid in accuracy for deliveries and in-person visits. Next, you'll update your company's city. A small detail, but it carries weight in regional searches and helps in identifying your geographical market. Similarly, you'll want to click on State to ensure this information is current and accurate. This is crucial for legal documentation and for clients viewing your business from out of state. And with those steps, you've successfully updated your company information on HubSpot for the year 2025. By following this guide, you ensure that every detail about your company is accurate, helping to build trust and clarity with your audience. Thanks for watching, and remember to always keep your company details up to date for a seamless business experience.